Little bass. What the, was I recording already? The spot. Finally. Can you take a picture of me? I'm just kidding. Let's let it go. Oh my gosh. The Slayer. And I'm stuck here in the middle of the river. Let's just drop anchor.
Oh! Dude, what is this? I don't want to try new racks. It's only $8. Let's go!
Yes, sir. I'm sorry I doubted you. Yeah. Well, looks like it's close to 17.
Alright, let's see. Man, us fishermen really need to get our perspective.
15.
Alright,
Good looking fish.
Release. What way? Oh! Find your way.
There we go.
Why is this on the Okay. Too bad?
No.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow. Didn't count. Yeah, didn't count. Whoa. Did you see that? There was a huge boil. No joke. It was crazy. Oh my gosh, that was a striper. Yes. Oh my gosh, it just went again. You hooked up?
I'm on. Oh my god!
Is that the striper?
Oh my god!
Did he sideswipe it? Oh yeah.
Let's go!
Yes! Oof! Oh, he hit it. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Woo! Dude, my first glide bait fish. Yes, sir. I told you. To a steak, right? Well, we did it. This fat spot on the glide bait, Etowah River.
Best fish of the day.